Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about the keyboard. Number 1. A keyboard is an input device. Number 2. It used to enter data into a computer. Number 3. Keyboards can be wired or wireless. Number 4. Keyboards have many different keys. Number 5. It is an essential part of most computers. Number 6. Keyboards come in different sizes. Number 7. Keyboards are used in a variety of industries. Number 8. Keyboards are an important piece of technology. Number 9. Keyboards may include a touchpad for laptops. Number 10. Some keyboards have backlit keys. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned.